Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the February issue of BoxyCharm. It just came in, y'all, so I'm excited. Okay y'all, so before I continue with this video, y'all already know, and if y'all new to my channel, welcome to my channel. I am the Boy Monroe. Make sure to subscribe down below, y'all. Leave a like. Hit that bell button, y'all. Y'all get notified every time I have a new video. And one more thing, y'all. Y'all see my hat? LoScandalous. Make sure to support my girl, y'all, on her Instagram, LoScandalous. I'm gonna leave the link down below. This is her merchandise. She also has sweaters coming out. Well, she has them out already, but I don't know if they're sold out already. Her stuff sold out real fast, y'all. So make sure. I bought her hat, which I love so much. It's so comfortable. You know, it's just like giving me like that late 90s kind of vibe. Y'all remember this? I used to have like in every color in different companies. Now let's continue. Alright. So, my box came in, y'all. It's a big one today, y'all, which I'm excited for. So, I'm going to cut it up, open it. First time, let's see what's popping. It's February, Valentine's. It's literally around the corner. This is the 12th today. Alright. So, let's see what's in here, y'all. Bam. Ooh, what's in here? Hold on. Okay, y'all know I get real excited all the time, every time I get a new box. So let's see what's poppin'. Wonder Getaway. Eyes and Face Palette. Ooh, this is cute, y'all. So it's protected as always. Again, I paid $25 a month subscription, y'all, just for this box. The Beauty Crop. I got the Beauty Crop Gold Mist. I love me a glow, y'all, so this would be nice. And I also got the Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. Y'all see that? We'll see what these products are in a minute. I got a big one. Caffeinated Scalp Scrub. For all babes in all hair types. What is this? I'm gonna open this right away because I have long hair, y'all. So let's see what is this is about. I'm confused. Say scalp 5 times over and try to feel sexy. Oh, what? I'm trying to figure out what the hell this is. Hold on. Oh, okay, so it's an exfoliator for your scalp. Okay, that's what's up. I don't really have dry scalp. I used to, but not so much. And I got a So Rich Treatment NCLA Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Okay. Y'all, listen. Am I excited and crazy about this month? We're about to find out. Let me add this up first, y'all, and see what's the amount of this first. Hold up. So this month, okay, so let me not start being greedy. Let me be thankful. This came out, it says here $116, y'all, so let's see. Let me double check one more time. Yeah, $116.90, so $117 basically. For this is all I got, y'all. If I wasn't crazy about a few boxes before, at least it was $200. It's always usually been $200 since I subscribed to this. This is my. Alright, so this is my 4th box. Okay, sorry. Dang! Okay, let me look at this palette. Let me try to at least get some excitement out of this video. Let's see what this palette. This palette, the Wonder Getaway palette, goes for $36. So, okay, that's a little pricey. It's definitely not drugstore price. Maybe they're watching my videos and they don't like me no more. They're like, make sure to give him the worst box. So, here's this, y'all. Let's see it together. The hell is this? It gives you a little highlight, a blush. Let's see this blush. Hold on. Alright, that could work with me. Let me check out this highlight. The highlight to me looks chalky, y'all. This honestly is... This is not wowing me at all. $36, girl, bye. That's not worth my money. Period. Now, the Gold Mist goes for $14.99. So the hydrating setting mist, y'all. I've heard of this. Listen, with quarantine and the pandemic and everything, I'm not even about to waste my time with this one. Who's gonna see the rest of my face? I'd be wearing a hat, a hoodie, you know, my mask on. Like, who's gonna see my face with all this glitter on? Just so maybe I'll, like, around my eyes. I don't even care to open it. Now, the scalp scrub, this is basically to wet the hair and part the hair and then, you know, scrub it in. I have a friend who actually needs this, y'all. I'm gonna give it to her. I'm not even gonna open it. I have a girlfriend that needs it badly. The hair scrub, y'all, is $18.95. Sorry, I'm just like, whatever. I'm not amused. The sleep mask Saturday Skin goes for $29. That's kind of pricey. Let's see what's popping. Before I open it, so it's basically an overnight moisture. Leave on overnight, maybe 3 to 5 times a week. Just to like brighten, lighten, and tighten your skin. It has vitamin C in it. I'll try it. This I'll try. Doesn't really have a smell. Let me try to feel the texture of it. It dries like chalk right after. What I really want to say about this, I'm not even going to say it on here, but I'll give it a try. One of these nights I'll give it a try. Does not feel hydrating at all. At all. The cuticle oil, it retails for $18, y'all. Let's read what it says. Your heart is limited edition. Valentine's Day's cuticle oil. The cult favorite so-rich formula contains safflower seed oil and vitamin E to hydrate and nourish your cuticles. Okay. That was it, y'all. That was February's issue. There's an issue. I don't care for it. I really don't. If somebody wants this mist, if anybody wants this palette, the cuticle oil, if anybody wants this stuff, let me know. Okay, at this point, I'll give it to y'all. I don't care for it. I would love to say more, but there's not much to say, y'all. That was February's. Hopefully next month is way better than what this was, because I don't know what this was. This was that kind of mood. Am I missing something? No, that's it. Anyways, I love y'all. We're gonna end it here, okay? Sorry for the sad video. Make sure y'all to follow me on my Instagram, y'all, the Boy Monroe. Love y'all. Also, make sure to subscribe down below, y'all. I would really appreciate it, y'all. I work hard to try to edit these videos, take my time for it. Y'all already know the drill. So subscribe. If y'all haven't already, then girl, what is going on with your life? I'm just playing. I'm not playing though. And also make sure to like this video, y'all. Leave a comment down below. I love reading them. Make sure to hit up my girl on her Instagram and make sure to put in your order, y'all. Love y'all. Till next BoxyCharm. Do not disappoint me. And if you're watching this video, girl, who is your... Love y'all.